In front of me is HUAWEI Mate X7 and today I would like to show you how you can operate a voice recorder. First of all, you need to find and open Recorder app. Now tap on Agree and Allow in all pop-ups if you never used it before, and start recording thanks to this button at the bottom left corner. As you can see, recording is on. To pause it or unpause it, use this button at the bottom right corner. To enable or disable voice enhancement, use this icon at the top right corner. To add a bookmark, click on this one at the bottom left one. And to end it and save it, tap on the middle button. As you can see, my recording was successfully created. To create a new one, use the same red button. To listen to one of your recordings, click on the chosen one on the list and tap on play button. You can also manage it by clicking on those icons at the top right corner or selecting those. Add a bookmark while listening, speed it up, enable or disable skip silences, and my favorite, edit. Click on it, hit OK, and pick a part of your recording you want to trim. Then hit trim here, and decide if you want to keep selected part or delete selected part. When you're done, use this check mark at the top right corner. Last but not least, to get rid of any recording, you can hold it on the list and use those options at the bottom, rename, or as I mentioned, delete. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!